spacious universe sweatshirt. So let's go into all that space that's in between. So that we're not here on this earth, we're going beyond our physical body, and we're placing our mind and our self, our awareness, into that which is not obvious. So begin by just resting your mind, feeling your own body's weight. Feeling gravity on your body. And feeling that weight just pouring down to your feet. This is a process of letting go so that your muscles are hanging on your skeleton like your t-shirt hanging on a coat hanger. And now feel that pressure under your feet, and that's your contact point. And connects the crown of your head to the sky, your other contact point. Once that contact is made and you have your curtain rod, release your muscles a little more. And imagine that your body is an empty vessel. And you're inflating your arms and your back and your trunk and your thighs, your lower legs, and even your feet. And as you inflate now, you can float. And the space around you is holding you, embracing you. And so therefore you can remain relaxed and yet open. Like you're the middle of the energy bubble. You're the nucleus. And the energy inside that bubble is floating you. And as your arms float up, you pour the chi down to your feet. And the counterbalance of that is that you float. And as your arms sink down, send the energy just a few millimeters above the crown of your head. Beautiful. We're going to do open and close, and then we'll move into our Chen style Tai Chi warm up. Now really place your awareness in the space between your hands and feel the nucleus. And now allow that space around the nucleus to expand. And it presses into your hands and into your forearms and into your upper arms. And now into your chest and your spine, your lower dantian into the qua. And as you sigh it out and release, the muscles hang and your curtain rod feels longer, more stable. And once again, the nucleus between your hands and the space around it. Expand that. Feel it against the palms of your hands, against your forearms, upper arms, and into your chest. Hugging it, holding it. Beautiful. And release and let go. And imagine that you're now filtrating out into the space around you, the room around you, and you fill that space. And then we'll sink our hands down. Feel that essence, that magnetic pull. And imagine that you're placing it inside your body, receiving it softly into the front part of your spine. And we'll stay here for just a few seconds. Further releasing, floating. And you're expanding. Take a breath in. Let go all of those muscles. And shake it out. Shake out as much as you can. We're just spreading that chi, getting rid of any excess, any of that heavy chi. Nice. Don't forget the legs. You'll get better at the shaking. The more you do it, you just become as loose as you can. It's a nice practice of feeling that looseness. What does that feel like? And don't forget the ankles. These are your metatarsal heads from the ball of your foot to the ball of the pinky toe, and you roll on that. If you do it right, you'll actually feel the fascia on the bottom of your foot moving as you move your foot around those metatarsal heads. And then we'll switch sides and do the other side. You might have a few little snaps and pops in those bones. That's good. And then you're going to just lightly bounce. You don't leave the ground, but you just tap your heels on the ground and see again, how much can you let your muscles release into that and go deep into the fascia, allowing and trusting the fascia to hold your joints together. Stimulating our lymphatic system, releasing. Very nice. Let's gather chi for a moment. And imagine you're moving this chi into your throat, into your chest. Gratefully receiving this high frequency energy into your body from head to toe. And gently, like a plunger, pushing out the heavy chi. Beautiful. All right.